Hello audience at home and in the studio. Today on I Know Everything That You Don't, we have a special guest. I'll give you a hint. He went to the school of James Murray. Okay, I'll just tell you that it's Thomas Jefferson. Albert, yes. How did I get here? I was just in my living room watching America's Got Talent, and then the next second I am on Albert Einstein's television show, I Know Everything That You Don't. Now no questions because we are live. Today I would like to challenge you, Thomas Jefferson, to a super challenge about your life. I'm going to show the world that I know more about your life than you do. I'm ready when you are. We will start right now. I was born on April 13, 1743 at his family's farm in Gilliland County, Virginia. I was the third child out of 6 sisters and 1 brother. Thomas Jefferson studied under a tutor who taught him Latin, French, and Greek. Later in the year 1769 I was elected to the House of Burgesses. I became a member of a group that also included Patrick Henry, Francis Lightfoot, and Richard Henry Lee. Wow, you're good, thanks. In the year 1772 Thomas Jefferson married a widow named Martha Wales Skelton. How do you know as much about me as I do? I mean, I'm the person you challenged me on, and I think you should play it a little easier. I can. But I decided not to. Thomas, why not? Because I know everything, and you don't. Well, back to the challenge. I was one of the members of the committee that helped write the Declaration of Independence. Other members included Roger Sherman, Benjamin Franklin, Robert R. Livingston, and John Adams. On September 1776 Thomas Jefferson resigned from Congress. He returned to the Virginia House of Delegates. Later Thomas Jefferson did not fight in the Revolutionary War. In the years 1770 and 1790 Thomas Jefferson was elected to be governor of Virginia. I returned to Monticello. While I was there I wanted to give up public life forever. I wrote a book called Notes on the State of Virginia. Can you please let me win? I haven't won on my show in 20 days, and if I win then I'll get on Fox 2 News and I'll become... Let's just get back to the game so I can beat you and become more famous. Okay, now it's on, buddy. Thomas Jefferson once received a letter from President George Washington. The letter contained a question that would move Jefferson's ranking from congressman to Secretary of State. In the year 1794 I persuaded George Washington into a second term as president. While I was vice president, I was nominated to run against John Adams for presidency. In the 1800s, Thomas Jefferson became President Thomas Jefferson. He named Senator Aaron Burr of New York as vice president. The Louisiana Purchase was one of your greatest achievements. It transferred from France to Spain in 1762. Now the last fact about my life. I beat Albert Einstein. I know everything you don't. What? Well, since I am the creator and producer of this show, I wanted to over-game Albert, but you should have picked a harder topic for me because seriously, you were going to ask Thomas Jefferson to your show and have the challenge be about Thomas Jefferson? Well, I guess you're right. Anyway, I guess that's our show. Join us next week with our special guest Barack Obama. Let me guess what the super challenge will be about. If you guessed a super challenge about Barack Obama, then yes, you were right.